Hey everyone, welcome back to Node Expert, your go-to channel for all things crypto and nodes. Today I'm bringing you something super simple yet incredibly powerful, a node that runs as a Chrome extension. That's right, we are talking about the Dawn Network node. Whether you are new to Node or a pro looking for something lightweight and easy to manage, this is for you. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. So, what is Dawn Network? The Dawn Network is a decentralized platform designed for secure and efficient data sharing. Unlike most nodes that require a VPS or complex setup, the Dawn node is unique because it runs directly on your Chrome browser. This makes it accessible for anyone with a laptop or a desktop. No extra hardware or costly subscriptions needed. Now, you might be wondering, why should you run a Dawn node? Here are some benefits. 1. Easy setup. No technical skills required. 2. Low resource usage. It runs in the background without affecting your device's performance. 3. You contribute to the network and get rewarded for supporting decentralization. 4. Accessibility. All you need is the Chrome browser. Now, let me guide you through the process of setting up the Dawn node. Firstly, go to the Chrome Web Store. Under the Extensions tab, search for Dawn Validator Chrome extension. Add it to Chrome and then open it up from here. Click on Continue. If you are a returning user, you may enter your email and your password. If you are a new user, come here and click on Register. Here, write in your full name and your email, your password, again your password, and here you may use my referral code, which is this one. It will help me a lot and you will get a boost. After filling these required fields, click on Create Account. You will get an email, you will get a message through your email to validate your account. Click on Verify and get back into your Dawn extension and log in. After logging in, you will get this page. Here is your connection quality and your total points earned. Just it's like this. It's a very lightweight node which is very easy to set up and use. Here, if you wanted to boost your rewards, click on Boost Rewards. Now, if you follow them on X, you will get 5,000 points, on Discord too, and on Telegram too. A note for you to know, this is an early stage, so don't expect earnings from now on. Maybe it might take months or years until it's launched on the mainnet, so it's still on the testnet, but it's a good opportunity to invest your time in it. Maximize your rewards and ensure your node runs smoothly. Here are some tips. Keep your browser updated to the latest version. Avoid closing the browser while the node is active. Use a stable internet connection to maintain uptime. Check the extension periodically for updates. So, there you have it, a simple and hassle-free way to get into the world of nodes with Dawn Network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more crypto content. Also, let me know in the comments if you are planning to set up your Dawn node or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.